Oh, time to start unburying the Studebaker. Well, we just about unburied my barn find Studebaker that I found in my own barn. Gotta get some air in the outer tire so we can roll it around. All right, I'm gonna see if this tire will take air. I don't know, got my doubts. You got your doubts too? Oh, I think we're going up. Con?
Yeah.
Looks better already. I'll take a little nut and run over it. Not sure.
Then you'll have enough. Then you'll have enough wire to keep.
What's this?
to pull it all away.
This piece of shiny chrome can't be off this.
That's not my charger.
Charger? How did your charger jump get on this wondrous Studebaker?
That thing is that.
Want to just try to push it?
Yeah, if you want.
There you go. Well, there it is. The Studebaker. Gotta go way over to the driver's side. It's got big old stove bolts holding the doors on, so we gotta figure out how to get them off.
I couldn't do it before.
I know, but we'll use heat.
Lots of.
So this is an M5 C2 38860. That's
It must be like the manufacturer.
the VIN tag.
But you have the registration.
I do.
You can make this thing legal.
Well, yeah.
What are these shocks out of? GM.
So we're finding all kinds of stuff. What's this awesome thing?
It's a coil.
We don't see a coil like this every day. All right, well, we're gonna get this thing in position and see what we can figure out. It's cool though, the old Studebaker. I gotta clean it out first. A little bit of dust. So now we're taking inventory. Of course, you know, we're just gonna make this truck runnable, drivable. We're gonna put the 306 in that kind of took out of his truck, and I got a 5-speed Ford transmission we're going to throw in it too. So now we're taking inventory. I got this box. I ran all the way down 3 hours south, a little bit south of Philadelphia to pick that box up. A guy had it down there in storage forever, and it's in way better shape than this box because this box doesn't have a floor anymore. I mean, it's just Swiss cheese. So that's going to save a lot of time. These are other hood hinges I got. I think this is, I don't know if this is the right wiper arm or not. Yeah, I think it is. But in these boxes here are brand new fenders. They're fiberglass fenders from, what's the name of that place? Studebaker International. I said it once before. What do you got?
This is
parts
the
there?
center piece for the windshield.
Yep. And I got the windshields are sitting over there under some stuff.
They might still be usable.
The little body work to do on these pieces.
Yep, these pieces need patches.
But not horrible. Not horrible. Wait, you know what? I don't think that dent's gonna stay in it. You know why? It lends character. The old girl's got a broken nose. You know what? She earned it. So I think this is solid. This is real nice shape. It's gonna go right back on. See, we got the rubber bumpers for the hood to sit on.
Really, the only panels that really need patching are those. And this needs a couple little patches right there. But we got this extra one that's really solid. And this piece is good too, it doesn't need patches. This is the pair.
What's that piece, Con?
This is the...
Oh, that goes up under the hood, right?
There's like... Yeah, exactly. This is what the hood rests on. There's a million pieces of these grills.
Yeah, I know.
You know? It's like all different triangles.
The whole truck was crappy, but the dashboard was nice. What's that piece, Con, right here?
I think you're looking at it completely backwards there.
I don't care. I want a nice dashboard.
Well, start finding one.
Is that weird?
Yeah.
See, because this dashboard, it's
toast.
It's toast. This is the instrument panel here.
Like absolutely.
You can't see the gauges through the glass. But maybe some of that's dirt, but the whole bottom of it's just gone. Yeah, this dashboard needs help. I guess I better look for a dashboard, Con. I don't know where I'm gonna find one.
I have another one in there.
You?
There's another one sitting in the truck.
Maybe I can make one good one out of the two?
That was the worst one, I think. The other one's a little better.
Yeah, because this seat,
It's toast.
yeah, it's toast, but I'd use it for a pattern. And then just make something out of plywood and put foam on it and have Zach upholster it.
Yeah. You could do
See, that's what I'm thinking. I want an original seat, bench seat.
Okay.
I want Dad's truck back.
One in the truck is in better shape still.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think I remember that from
You remember this one not being that good, huh?
when we first got it.
He just had it and it was like, ooh, wow, look at the door I got. And it's really not very good. Yeah, it doesn't look good, but it's missing glass.
Yeah, this is pretty much the quality truck you get.
Oh, I'm getting to see a fender.
Yeah, sweet.
That's cool.
They look in good shape. Mm-hmm. You just bolt them right on.
I hope they're in good shape. They're brand new. The tailgate we gotta fix. The bottom of it's rotted away, but it says Studebaker still. That we gotta save. But here's this box, this bed. What a disaster. The sides aren't too bad, and I was gonna rebuild this. In fact, I was gonna cut the floor out of remember I cut it just a hair too short and screwed up? I had an old Dodge box that had a nice floor in it.
Yeah.
I was gonna cut that floor out and throw it in here, but I screwed it up.
Because these are steel bed. Like on most trucks of this era had the wood beds.
Yeah, yeah, this is steel.
Studebaker was ahead of the time.
I think I see a mousy nest.
Oh, cool. Hey, a mouse. Looks dead. Gross.
You can tell because it's not running.
Yeah. Oh, boy.
There he is.
This thing is pretty disgusting.
What?
All this.
Yeah, that mouse is pretty. You want to do an autopsy on him? How long's he been there?
I just want to unbolt this and throw it out the door.
Okay. Well.
Hey, that's a charger too.
Oh man, I thought that was mine.
No, in fact, where's the other one?
Couldn't tell you. Well, more of the Studebaker saga. Probably tomorrow. I think I'm gonna get going on this thing. That'd be cool. Barn find in my own barn. That's funny. Connor, is that funny?
Oh, that's hilarious.
You're not seeing the humor, huh? You're just seeing a lot of wasted storage space and time.
Well, I'm seeing about 20 patches to get the cab solid. And the bed's nice, and we got fiberglass fenders. So
Yeah.
I'm seeing a truck pretty quick, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Clean the frame, get it all dialed up, sealed up, fit that Ford engine into it, and just leave all the stock suspension stuff. So, not terrible. Cab's gonna be the hardest part, just piecing it back together.
Really, I don't think it'll be hard to put a straight 6, a 306 in here.
No, because it's not. It might not be any bigger than the engine that was already in it.
Not much, but it was a flathead, so it was a little lower. But that don't
Yeah,
matter because
height doesn't
there's
matter.
it's like a cathedral ceiling under the hood.
So that's not the problem.
Yeah, I think we'll be all right.
Yep.
And I want a stick, so
any Ford
I got to
truck
do a little
standard.
figuring that out. I do have that standard. I got to take it out of Frankenford.
My duster trims.
You're finding more of your parts than Studebaker parts.
Yeah, these are pretty bad.
All right, I guess we'll hit this again tomorrow. All right, guys, thanks for watching our little startup on our Studebaker here.